Imagine a world where a tiny blue butterfly could vanish forever, just like that. But in Michigan, a remarkable story is unfolding that proves hope still exists for the Karner blue butterfly, a species once teetering on the brink of extinction. This delicate creature, with its striking blue hue and fragile existence, is now staging a comeback in the western Lower Peninsula, sparking both excitement and debate among conservationists and the public. But here's where it gets controversial. The Karner blue's survival isn't just about saving a single species. It's about protecting an entire ecosystem. As Duke Elsner, a former Michigan State University educator, explains, these butterflies are picky about their homes. They thrive in only a handful of counties across the state, clinging to habitats that have been steadily shrinking due to agriculture, urban sprawl, and other human activities. Their world is like a tightrope walk, Elsner says. If the balance shifts even slightly, they're gone. So what makes the Karner blue so unique? Males boast a dazzling iridescent blue on their wings, while females blend into their surroundings with earthy brown tones. This camouflage helps them avoid predators, but it also makes them harder to spot when researchers are monitoring populations. And that's the part most people miss. The butterfly's decline wasn't just gradual. It was catastrophic. By the 1970s, their numbers had plummeted so drastically that in 2018, fewer than 100 individuals were estimated to remain in Michigan. Yet today, that number has surged to around 10,000, a testament to the tireless work of organizations like the Michigan Department of Natural Resources, DNR, and the U.S. Forest Service. These groups have been restoring prairie and oak savanna habitats, ensuring the butterflies have access to their primary food source. Wild lupin. It's not just about planting flowers, Elsner clarifies. It's about managing entire landscapes to mimic the natural processes these species depend on. However, the fight isn't over. Pesticide use remains a contentious issue. While farmers argue that these chemicals are vital for protecting crops, conservationists warn that even trace amounts can devastate butterfly populations. We're walking a fine line between feeding people and saving species, Elsner admits. Should we prioritize crop protection or ecosystem preservation? What role should government policies play in balancing these needs? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because this isn't just a scientific debate. It's a moral one. The Karner blue's resurgence is a beacon of hope, but it also serves as a reminder. Every species lost is a thread unraveled from the tapestry of life. Will we learn from this story, or will it end up as just another cautionary tale? The choice is ours to make.